Hello everyone. Let's start chapter 10 circles exercise 10.5. Question number 1. A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center O such that angle BOC equal to 30 degree and angle AOB equal to 60 degree. If D is a point on a circle other than the arc ABC, find measure of angle ADC. C for solution. It is given that angle AOC equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. So, taking the values of angle AOB and angle BOC from the question, angle AOC is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree will give angle AOC to be 90 degree. It is known that an angle which is subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. So, angle ADC is equal to half angle AOC and angle AOC measures 90 degree. So, half of angle 90 degree is equal to 45 degree. And angle ADC is equal to now 45 degree. Question number 2. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at the point on the major arc. Here, chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. So, seeing the triangle OAB is now an equilateral triangle, and if it is an equilateral triangle, that means all angles measure 60 degree. So, measure of angle AOB equal to 60 degree. Now, angle ACB equal to half of angle AOB and angle ACB equal to half of, that is 60 degree, is equal to 30 degree. Now, since ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the 4 vertices are on the circle. So, in a cyclic quadrilateral there is a property that opposite angles sum is 180 degree. So, angle ADB plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. And from here we will calculate angle ADB equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. So, the angle subtended by the chord at the point on the minor arc and also at the point on the major arc are 150 degree and 30 degree respectively. Now see the figure. Angle ABC is given to be 69 degree and angle ACB is given to be 31 degree. We have to find angle BDC. So, we know that angles in the same segment of the circle are equal. So, measure of angle BAC will be equal to measure of angle BDC. Now, see the triangle ABC. In this triangle, we have used angle sum property to calculate the value of angle BAC. Now, we are using angle sum property, that is angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. By putting the values to the above equation, we get angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 69 degree minus 31 degree, and we get angle BAC to be 80 degree. Now, because angle BAC and BDC both lie in the same segment, so they will be equal. And hence we can say angle BDC measures 80 degree. That's all. Thank you.